Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and I'm very excited to do this video. As you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be trying to transform myself into what my zodiac sign would look like. This has been going on the internet, on YouTube, for a bit now, so I hope I'm not late to the trend by the time I upload this video. So I guess without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so, I am a Scorpio. Yes, hi, my fellow Scorpios. Comment down below what zodiac sign you belong to, and let's chat about them. Okay, so in this challenge, what happens is I'm going to pick out some pictures from Pinterest and Google. I have screenshotted a few pictures, and we will select my eyeshadow, my lipstick, my hairstyle, and my outfit as to see if I do look like a zodiac? No, a Scorpio, or what a Scorpio would look like according to these pictures. So yeah, I have screenshotted some pictures. I have made options available for myself, so I will be selecting right now what I want to do. I haven't looked at them in a while. I picked them out a little while ago, so yeah, I've been planning on doing this video for a while. So for eyeshadow, I have two options for Scorpio. This is the one screenshot that I took. They're all the zodiac signs, and since I'm a Scorpio, mine looks like this. It's like pink, and then it has golden all over its lid. Is it glitter or is it metal? It's glitter. So it has a cut crease of golden glitter all over the lid. That's one option. Then we have a little more neutral toned. It is neutral but it's super glam, so this one. It has this orange, brown, rusty crease and outer corner, and then it has a golden cut crease. Yeah, and very nice lashes and nice eyes. So I have these two options for eyeshadow. Okay, so for hair, I have picked out only one option because I'm very bad with doing my hair. I cannot do anything, I cannot style my hair for the love of God. So most of these were like space buns and braids and really nice buns. So I cheated a little bit and I picked out the easiest option. This is the screenshot that I took, and this is the Scorpio hairstyle. It's like beachy waves, loose waves. I think I can do this. I'm not sure. This is probably going to take me an hour to do, so that's fun. So yeah, I'm going to do this hairstyle, and for the outfit I have a few options. I mean, two options. One is a very summer look, but I just realized I do not have anything like that, so we will not be doing that. There is this Gucci. Oh, can you see? Yeah, there's this Gucci pink t-shirt, crop top, and then these ripped shorts, which I don't have, so we're not doing that one. The other option that I have is this, more like a fall weather option, this one. So there is this black crew neck sweatshirt, blue jeans, and some, I think these are blue Vans, dark blue denim Vans type of thing. So yeah, I think I can make this work. I do not have the same crew neck, but I do have a black crew neck, so I think we are going to wing it with that. Blue jeans, obviously we all own a blue jeans. For lips, I have this picture. Mostly all the lip pictures were like same colors for Scorpio, so I just picked this one. It is a bright red shade. Now I know, I mean, not a lot of us like to wear red. Obviously it's not like an everyday color, but I do love putting on some color on my lips every now and then. So I think, although I don't know which eye look should I do with this, I think I'm gonna go with the neutral eye look because we are also wearing a black crew neck, so I don't think I want to go like pink on the eyes and red on the lips. So I think I'll do the neutral, but it's not really neutral, but still the neutral eye look, and then this lip. Then we are going to change into the outfit, and I'll do my hair after that. Hopefully it turns out good. Let's get started. I'm going to be using my Tati Beauty palette because I think this has everything that I need for this look. This is so gorgeous. Also, if you haven't seen my review for this palette, go watch it after this video. I will link it down in the description. There is also a little bit of darkness here, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the color Ritual in matte, and I think I'm going to place it right here, and then I'm going to blend it.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so both eyes turned out pretty good. I did go ahead and put on some eyeliner. So for lips we have red color. So I have this red lippy from Nykaa X Masapa Gupta collection in the shade Femme Fatale. I hope that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. This looks really weird with the eyes. Like the eyes are also super glam and the lips also look so bright. So eyes are done, lips are done. I'm gonna go and do the wavy curly thing in my hair, and then I'm gonna put on my outfit and I will show you guys. Then I'll give you my final thoughts on the look and what I think about it and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's jump into that. So as you guys saw the outfit, I am wearing my friend's crew neck. I do not have the exact similar one. I'm wearing blue jeans, I promise. I have shown it in the video. And the makeup, the lips, the hair, which I tried to do, but I don't know. This part looks good. Like this whole thing, nice and wavy. And then when I got here, something happened. I don't know what. This is also pretty wavy. So yeah, that's it you guys. Final thoughts. Do I look like a Scorpio? Is this my style? If we talk about the outfit, definitely I am obsessed with crew necks and sweatshirts. You will only find those, which is why I have a problem in summers, because I don't have anything for summers. So yeah, I do, this is my style, and I'm wearing jeans, which is also my style, although I haven't worn jeans for the past month because of Miss Rona going around of the lockdown. Blue jeans, yes, 100% my style. So that's a thumbs up. I think the outfit is more me than the makeup and the hair. Like I don't spend time on doing my hair. My hair is naturally straight, almost wavy towards the end, but mostly it's straight. So this is not like my real hair thing, and I don't do my hair like this. It's usually in a pony or in a bun, like a normal bun. Makeup, well, you guys know I love makeup and I do all kinds of makeup, but for the lips, I think I would not have gone for red lips with this outfit at least. But do I have a problem with red? No, I love red lipstick. I'm obsessed with red lipstick. But I might not have went with this outfit. Yeah, so the lips is like okay-ish. Eyes, it's a thumbs up mostly, but I'm more of like a colorful girl. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that most of my looks are colorful. With that being said, if you like today's video, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're a Scorpio, comment down below, let's chat a little bit. If you want to follow me on my socials, these are my socials on the screen. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok and Twitter. You guys can follow me on all those platforms. Support your girl, you know. So if you like today's video, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think is more me, the hair, the makeup or the outfit, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Ring the notification bell. Yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep loving.